Zhejiang Xinxin Packaging Machinery Company was founded in 1988. We specialize in automated machines for zipper bags and resealable packaging. We design and manufacture complete packaging lines, including film blowing, printing, bag making, and automatic packing systems. Our machines are built for high efficiency and stable performance, with proven technology and continuous innovation. Xinxin serves customers worldwide. Our equipment is widely used in food, daily use, pharmaceutical, and industrial packaging. Trusted quality, proven results. Xinxin looks forward to working with global partners for long-term win-win cooperation.
Welcome to Xinxin, efficient, reliable, your best choice.